To remove a DIMM, remove the top cover. Turn off the server and all peripheral devices and disconnect all power cords and external cables. Press in on the blue tab and lift the cover release latch. The cover will move to the rear approximately 1/2 inch. Lift the cover off the server and set it aside. Remove the DIMM air baffle. Lift the DIMM air baffle from the server and set it aside. Remove the DIMM. Push out on the 2 retaining clips. Lift the DIMM out of the socket and place it on a static protected surface. Use the same procedure to remove any additional DIMMs if required.